Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Breville brand pressure cooker and you have it in pressure cooking setting, but it's not going into pressure cook, like the safety locking pin is not rising up to indicate that it's pressure cooking, and you're wondering what's going on. There's really one of two reasons that this is going to happen. One is going to be that steam or air is getting out somewhere, and you're just going to need to check your lid and check your seals and all that kind of stuff. And that might be the reason why it's not pressure cooking. The second reason why it might not be happening is a really kind of a simple reason, is that you just don't have enough water and food in there. And even though it's boiling, there's just not enough in there to get it into to go into pressure cook mode. So you just had to basically, to fix this, you just need to add more food or more water or more liquid into it to get it to go into pressure cook mode. And that's really all there is to it. Hope this video helped. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.